Hi everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about constructors in Java from the subject CS839 to Object Oriented Programming. Constructor is a block of code that initializes the newly created object. It is similar to method. It is called when the object is created. That is, new keyword creates the object of the class and invokes the constructor to initialize this newly created object. Characteristics or rules of constructor. Constructor name must be same as the class name. While new object is created, at least one constructor will be invoked. Constructor on Java cannot be abstract, final or static. Syntax of the constructor. The name of the constructor should be equal to the name of the class. For example, here the class name is rectangle. So we are creating the constructor name as rectangle of. Types of constructors. There are two types. One is the default constructor. Second is the parameterized constructor. Let's see one by one. First one, default constructor or no argument constructor. A constructor that has no parameter is called as default constructor. If you do not implement any constructor in your class, means the Java compiler inserts a default constructor in your code. Second is the parameterized constructor. A constructor that has one or more parameters is known as parameterized constructors. The parameters are added to the constructor in the same way that they are added to a method. Just declare them inside the parenthesis after the constructor name. This is the example program. In this, we are going to calculate the area of a rectangle. In a class rectangle, we declare three variables: length, width and area. Length and width for input and area for storing the output. In the first constructor rectangle of, we are defining the default constructor. That is, we didn't give any parameters inside the constructor. In the second constructor rectangle, we are passing two parameter values, that is x and y, from a main class. Inside the constructor, we are assigning x value to length and y value to width. Next, in a method calculator, we are calculating the area of a rectangle and return the area to a main class. In the main class, we are creating two objects, rect1 for default constructor, rect2 for parameterized constructor. We call the method calculator from the main class using the objects, that is rect1.calculator and display the value of a area. In the second object, we pass two values 25, 10 and invoke the method using rect2.calculator. Finally, we display the area value. This is our output. In default constructor, we got area value was 0. For parameterized constructor, we got area value was 250. Last, constructor versus methods. The constructor name must be same as the class name, but in method, it is not necessary for the method in Java. Constructors do not have any return type. Methods have the return type. Constructor is called only once at the time of object creation. Method can be called any number of times. Thank you.